Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a happy mail from my husband. Actually, I saw a doll go on sale, and I asked him, and he immediately went and got it, because the other day on, I think it was Amazon, could have been Target, I saw that Kia Heart had gone on sale for $9.99, and I hollered into Darren. He pulled it up right away, and we were too late. There were some when I saw it in on the couch. By the time I hollered into Darren, gone, and I didn't get one. Oh, boo-hoo. I love my Carmen Nichols. Love, love, love her. I love the colors. The neon lime color, yellow, pinks. I love all those colors. So when I saw that and I do like this, I want to point out that Amazon now has recyclable bags. I like that. Anyway, when I saw her as the junior high, I wasn't going to get the junior high. Somehow I've got one. They were on clearance. I liked it so much. I opened one, and then I bought, replaced that, and pretty soon I have the whole series. This is my first and only of the series 2. Will I get more? We'll see how the prices go. They are a cute size of doll. They're really cute, and I love that Carmen face. Let's get her out. These little dolls are so cute. They are, her tennis shoes actually tie. It's unreal. Look at this pack. This pack opens, has a tie on the inside for tension, but look at this. See these itty bitty pockets? They are functional. How incredible is that? I sew for dolls. This did not take 10 minutes. This took some time. It's really cute. I'll give them that. And all the little adjusts, these adjust for her back. It's incredible, the work. But for the same price as the bigger dolls, these came out at $25. There is no stand. There is no extra clothes. This is a dryer sheet that dried a load of clothes, and I use that because the air is so dry, their hair's flying away. I don't think you're going to be able to see it, but this hair is gorgeous. It has the neon green, the neon yellow. It has white through it, or a silvery white. I absolutely love it. And look at these brown eyes. Oh my, my. What a pretty little doll. I really like her. You've seen all the articulation on these dolls. I just wanted to get her out and show you what these dolls have. And this amazes me. I'm just going to have her hold that with her hand. Darren's going to make her a stand, and I am pleased. Thank you so much, Darren. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.